Heading back out to the firing line, got Devin and his buddy coming along this time. We're gonna get out there. We're supposed to get a blizzard today, 5 to 9 inches of snow. High winds from the northwest. So hopefully that does two things. One, keeps people from hunting out there too, so there's less competition. And two, pushes the birds down. I'm sure the second thing will happen. I'm not sure about the first. We'll just have to see when we get out there. Well, we were able to get the pit we wanted. There's only 2 other groups hunting, so that's good. So we don't have too much competition, and the snow hasn't started to fall yet. So once that comes, I think it's gonna get hot and heavy. There's a lot of birds. The geese are already moving out. The ducks are going out to feed. Geese are doing the same. We're just needing to get full and come back slower and fatter and looking to land. So you can kind of see how we're set up. Got a north wind coming pretty good. It's supposed to start blizzarding here sometime in an hour or so, I guess. We're just starting to get snow flurries. Here he comes, here he comes. Alright, you guys better kill him now. There you got him. He's not gonna make it. There he goes. First goose of the day. Courtesy of Devin.
They're gonna come right out in front. They're gonna come right out in front. Let them get tight. Let them get tight. We better kill him now.
We got all 4 of them. Nice job, boys.
Boom, man. I don't think we missed.
Good shooting.
I guess I gotta go get him now.
Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah, that is.
There's 4. Four honkers. That was pretty fun.
Yeah, that was cool.
We got 5 more right there. I thought there was 5 originally, and one he must have peeled off, but whatever. We'll just make these into sleepers up there in the meadow. Now we have 5 more decoys. Yep.
I got him.
So Devin knocked one down. He's gonna go get his. Nate knocked another down. We just had another flock of 4 or 5 come in, and not the greatest shooting on them. There's Nate with his bird. Another one down. Well, it's about a little after 10, and the blizzard was right on time as they predicted. We can't even look up to the north because you can't see anything. It's already snow on our decoys, but the geese, when they come over, they cup up right away and come right in, so we'll wait them out.
Got a bunch of ducks working too.
Oh yeah.
Here it comes. You want him, Nate?
You can have them.
Get him in tight. Let him get in tight. They are working beautifully today.
Banded?
Banded?
Worth it.
I don't know if he's kidding or not, but if he isn't, that's awesome. Are you joshing me?
It's worth it.
Is he actually banded?
Yeah, he is.
Let's see it, man.
Right there.
Liar. You're funny.
You picked up that one over there?
Nate got that one, and then I shot a single while you were out getting your other one.
Well, this is kind of nice.
Yeah.
That's pretty, yeah, this
Have
is,
one guy limit out way before everybody else.
yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
Right out front, right out front. Not yet, not yet. All right. There's my goose. Had a pair come in and only was able to drop one out, but that's number 10 on the day. Waiting on 5 more. Nice shot. Yeah, he came in hard.
Yeah, he did.
Good job.
I thought he was gonna land in the water there.
That is a mounter quality mallard. Look at that head. Holy crap. Yep. That's another gorgeous drake. Holy, just look at the purple in their head. Late season, all plumed out. Beautiful birds. Well, we're calling it a day. Heavier snow supposed to roll in here in about an hour or so. So we figured we'd pack up before that really started going. Haven't been much geese flying since the snow. I mean, there was a few flying once it first started, and they came in real hard. But the rest of them, they're either out feeding or already on the roost. So I think they're gonna fly for a little while. Pretty good day though. We got 10 geese, 2 ducks. It was a fun hunt. A lot of work. Now we gotta go clean all these birds, but that's all right. It was a fun time. Looking forward to getting back out after it.
You can see we had a pretty good day out in Nebraska. It was pretty dang windy and we got a lot of snow. It was a good hunt. We're gonna take Nate out here on his first goose hunt. It was a good time. Didn't quite shoot a limit, but you always have to shoot a limit to have a good time.
If you like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe at the bottom of the page. Check out our other videos right here. And check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks.